Hi, I'm Tegan from Scrivener Auction, and today is Tegan Tuesday. Let's talk about the auto auction. Trucks, cars, trailers, trucks, SUVs, we got it all! What are you hauling your stock in? Your car? Did I mention tent trailers, vans, and holiday trailers? It's a 2016 cargo trailer! I'm sitting in this unit, number 904. It's a 22-foot Rustler fifth wheel trailer, and you can be camping in style if you're the highest bidder on this Saturday, April 30th. The sale is located at 121 15th Ave, just on Highway 14. Sale starts at 10 a.m. Can't miss it. Maybe you need a front-end loader. More than just autos, it's surplus and more. Need to change your tire? I think you need a little balance in your life. Wow, guys. Check out this sled. Blowers, pressure washers, and quads. It's every girl's dream. Don't miss the sale, guys. This Saturday, April 30th. Nom nom nom.